create garden vibrant painted pot ideas in your space. Welcome back to Garden Ethics. Today we are getting our hands dirty with some delightful garden projects that will add a pop of color and personality to your garden. If you are tired of plain terracotta pots, it's time to unleash your creative and transform them into works of art. Join me as explore 5 inspiration painted pot ideas for will elevate your garden to new heights to beauty and charm. If you are new here, kindly like the video and click the subscribe and press the like icon and this video share to your friends and family members. Bring a touch of fish meat to your garden with adorable animal themed painted pots. Use bright colors and playful design to turn ordinary pots into charming creations like ladybugs, bees, frogs, and add detail like glowing eyes, sculpture, and flower darts to bring animal friends of life. These fishman pots are sure to bring a smile to your face every time to see them in your garden. If you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribe and press the like icon and this video share to your friends and family members. For a modern stylish look, try painting geometrical patterns on your pots. Mix and match bold shapes like triangulars, squares, and complementary colors to your create. Add interest and depth to your design. So don't forget like and subscribe for more garden ideas, home decor. With a little creative and imagination, you can transform plain terracotta pots in your stunning works. Add art with enhance of beauty in your garden. Bring joy in your heart. Don't forget like to subscribe for more ideas. Thanks for watching.